Moving on to yet another big development at this point in time, viewers. Well, two more COVID positive patients have been reported from Manipur. That's right, viewers. Both the fresh cases are currently under quarantine at a quarantine facility at Mantripukhri area in Imphal. And well, the samples were tested positive at the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences in the capital city, Imphal. As per data accessed from RIMS, the patients include a 75-year-old female and a 48-year-old male, both hailing from the border town of Moreh. Well, these fresh cases come after a 21-year-old nurse was also tested positive yesterday at the JNIMS hospital in Imphal. Let me tell our viewers at this point that with these fresh cases, the total tally of cases in Manipur has now risen to 6, and furthermore, the active cases in the state currently stand at 4. Right, viewers, yet another big breaking story that we're receiving at this point in time, as two more individuals have been confirmed positive for COVID-19 from Manipur. Well, both the fresh cases are currently under quarantine at a quarantine facility at Mantripukhri area in Imphal, and the samples were tested positive at the Regional Institute of Medical Science in Imphal. As per data accessed from RIMS, the patients include a 75-year-old female and a 48-year-old male, both of whom hail from the border town of Moreh. Let me also tell our viewers that with these two fresh cases, the total tally of cases in Manipur have now risen to The total tally of cases in Manipur have now risen to 6, and meanwhile the active cases tally in the state currently stand at 4. And now to give us more details regarding this development, I'm being joined live from Imphal by my colleague Sharat Chandra. Right, Sharat, yet another big breaking news coming in from Manipur as two more individuals have been tested positive at JNIMS hospital. So what are the latest details you're receiving regarding this at the moment, Sharat?
Yeah, Ronak, with the latest report from the RIMS hospital, viral research and diagnostic lab, they have at around 9 a.m. the RIMS hospital, this laboratory already confirmed that now two more sample has been tested positive. Today morning around 8 sample has been tested at the RIMS hospital, and out of 8, 2 sample found positive of COVID-19. And yes, this latest 2 positive cases sample test has done at RIMS hospital, and this is a 75-year-old female and 48-year-old male. They both are from border town Moreh, Ward number 6, and they went recently to Mumbai Tata Memorial Hospital for cancer treatment. And these are the mother and son. Mother is 75-year-old female, and the son is a 48-year-old male. They have returned from Mumbai on 13th of May. Till then, they are lodging inside the designated quarantine center at this IIT. And today morning their sample has been collected along with another 6 sample. And these 2 sample, particularly this mother and son from border town Moreh, Ward number 6, they found COVID-19 positive. And with this latest update, Manipur do have, counting from day 1, from 24th March, we do have that first reported was on 24th March, and till then we do have the 6 numbers of COVID-19 positive case, confirmed case, and 2 already recovered. Now active case in Manipur now is 40 numbers, rather.
Right. Well, Sharat, how is the contact tracing measures currently going on? We know that these 2 individuals were at a quarantine facility at Mantripukhri in Imphal. So how is the contact tracing measures going on? Have the samples of the persons who may have come into contact with these 2 individuals collected and sent for testing?
Yeah, immediately now the contact tracing initiative is on, and all this rapid response team of all the district, Imphal East, Imphal West, and many of the district already put on alert after receiving the first fresh case in Manipur that reported on 14th of May. And another case that was a fresh case, and also third case. And after the port, that case in Manipur, all this rapid response team in every district has been put on alert, and the surveillance team is also keeping their strict vigilance. And now the authority are trying to find out the primary contact, at the same time also the indirect contact, whoever come to the contact while they are staying in the quarantine center, also while they are coming back from the Mumbai, while they are coming from back from the Kolkata. So in country this stress, contact tracing is on. So I think all the COVID-19 block in the Jennings and the RIMS hospital is under already in alert. Now, as of now, the two press positive case are treating at the Jennings hospital, and another two is treating at the RIMS hospital, Rona.
Right. Well, Sharad, we've also learned that these two cases, the individuals, they hail from the border town of Moreh. So could we see a surge of cases in the next few days from the border areas, as these two persons are from Moreh?
There is two aspects. You see, border town Moreh is around 110 kilometers from the capital Imphal, and this mother and son left border town Moreh before this pandemic, this COVID-19, before hitting our nation. So they left for the cancer treatment, and probably they have infected with this deadly virus while they are stay at this Mumbai, and later after testing, this mother and son found this positive. So I think in border town Moreh, the scene is not so panicky, because they left border town Moreh very before the COVID-19 hit our country, India. So they might have infected from the Mumbai. At the same time, yes, so far as this testing gearing up of the more testing is concerned, already the Chief Secretary, Dr. Suresh Babu, already suggested that the state government is considering the mandatory testing for all the returnees whoever returned from the outside. I think their testing will be very mandatory. I think as the cases of this COVID-19 positive rising from those returnees, I think state need to gear up with more testing facilities in and around Imphal. At the same time, I think all the district headquarters hospital also need to equip with the testing facilities, so that the testings can be raised. And you see, in the days to come, we are expecting many more coming back to Manipur. So thousands will come to Manipur and need to be tested immediately. And large number of testing facilities need to be equipped by the state government, Rona.
Right, absolutely. Well, thank you very much, Sharad Chandra, for joining me at this point in time and sharing all those latest